So if you're one of the people that's experiencing low oil pressure indication from your gauges on a 2007 to 2014 Chevy Suburban, probably the Silverado, Tahoe, GMCs as well, one of the things to check is the oil pressure sensor, and one of the things with that is the filter beneath it gets all crudted up. So here's an example of the one that I just pulled off of this 2007 of my mother and father-in-law's. You can see it's nasty. So I was able to, if you see there, I had to use a bolt. That thing's dropped way down in there, so it's hard to get out. So I used the bolt. I had read online where someone had done that as well, and just kind of, it's about the same size. So if you take your replacement filter, you can tell the size that it is by just going to the store and getting a bolt that'll fit, or find a bolt you have at the house. I happen to have one that'll fit, and just kind of thread it in there and then pop that bad boy out. The replacement part that I'm using is this one right here, 917143. It's a Dorman oil pressure sensor filter. So it's just like our part that I pulled, except much better looking. So that's what we've got there. And then the actual oil pressure sensor, let's see if I've got it right here in this box. This is the one that I pulled off of there.
Dad, you want to see the
Hold on.
still running?
Yeah, just a moment, buddy. I'll be right there, okay? And what I used also was this socket to take that off of there. This is 1 1/16 socket there. So it's a Carlisle socket, and then also this wrench here, and then the swivel right there, the universal joint, all 3/8 there. And then if you just get to it, if you just find this tube here, right here, and follow it back with your hand and just kind of slide around the back, you'll find the connector. It's got a squeeze connector that you just squeeze and undo for the electrical. Pop that off, and then just reach back there with your socket and get that off, and then you can get the filter replaced and hopefully be good to go.